In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the footer on the password protection page in Shopify. When your store is locked behind a password, keeping that page clean and focused helps visitors understand exactly what to do. Hiding the footer removes extra navigation and links that can distract people or reveal information you don't want public yet. I'll walk you through the exact path to set it up using the theme editor so it affects only the password page and not your entire storefront. Start by heading to Shopify and signing into your admin. Make sure you're in the store you want to work on so the changes apply to the right place. From the admin sidebar, open Online Store. This is where your themes and storefront settings live, and it's the quickest way to get to the pages and templates we need. Next, open Preferences under Online Store. This is where Shopify keeps the password protection settings. You'll use this area to temporarily restrict access so you can preview the password page while you edit it. Enable password protection. Turn on the option to require a password and add a short message for visitors if you like. Keep your password private, then and then save. With protection enabled, your storefront will show the password page, which makes it easy to preview your changes as you customize. Now go back to Online Store and open your current theme. Click Customize to launch the theme editor. This is where you'll switch to the correct template and make the footer change without touching your other pages. In the theme editor, use the page selector at the top to navigate to the passworded page template. Depending on your theme, it may be listed under a category like Others or System Pages. Confirm you're viewing the password template so any edits you make won't affect the rest of your site. Once you're on the password page, look for a footer section in the left panel. Many themes include a simple toggle such as Show Footer or an eye icon to hide the section for this specific template. Turn that off or remove the footer section from the password page layout. If your theme doesn't show a footer here, you're already set. Save your changes. Finally, preview your storefront while password protection is still on to confirm the footer is hidden and the page looks clean. That's it. Your password page now stays focused on your message without extra links or distractions.